save our planet. Major solar flare warns of potential disaster. Senior American Association for the Advancement of Science officials meeting, which just concluded in Washington, D.C., USA, warned of potential severe solar storms that could cause extensive damage and cost the global economy hundreds of billions of dollars. On Tuesday, February the 15th, the sun's surface erupted in an X-class solar flare, the most powerful type of all solar events, as the most powerful in 4 years. The explosion was unleashed from a sunspot region that had barely been visible just the week before, but grew quickly to more than 100,000 kilometers across, or nearly 8 times the width of the Earth. Although the recent event fortunately only disrupted high-frequency radio communications in southern China and caused displays of the aurora borealis, also known as the northern lights, a solar flare of this magnitude can lead to much more severe geomagnetic storms, as its coronal mass ejection, or CME, consisting of billions of tons of charged particles, reaches the Earth's magnetic field. These intense solar flares can trigger prolonged or even permanent blackouts in satellite communications and power grids, as well as radiation storms.
Moreover, solar flares are expected to become more frequent and severe in 2013 during the solar max, when the sun's activity is set to reach its peak. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA Administrator Jane Lubchenco said, "This is not a matter of if, it's simply a matter of when and how big. We have every reason to expect we're going to be seeing more space weather in the coming years, and it behooves us to be smart and be prepared."
Our thankfulness, scientists, for these insights into the significant implications of what could be increasingly dangerous solar activity. May we heed such potentially catastrophic occurrences as reminders to protect ourselves through more uplifting, eco-conscious lifestyles.
At the request of Supreme Master Television staff in Los Angeles, California, USA, during an October 2010 video conference, Supreme Master Ching Hai explained the cause of solar flares and humanity's ability to significantly worsen or improve such events.
Persons, fifth level beings. The fifth level beings are only there to give us spiritual benefit and upliftment and happiness. But unfortunately, we sometimes abuse it. We are not making ourselves worthy of all this help. So we have all this violent atmosphere because of war, because of hatred, because of mass murdering animals, etc., etc., and abusing the environment. We are killing too much. So we attract this kind of flare. It's us, the human, who attract it, the flare. And if we continue, it could be worse than that. It's just a warning only. Just a warning. It could be worse. So I always tell everybody, please pay more attention to moral standards. Please be more compassionate. Please be more virtuous. Love each other. Peace, no war, no killing. Vegan, that is to protect everybody.